Good day, everybody. Jason Lake with the MarineMax Clearwater team, and I am excited to bring you the Saxdor 320 GTO. Three core values at Saxdor are great quality, great performance, and exceptional value. And I'm telling you, you're getting all three of these things in spades. So why don't we take a look at this awesome setup that we got here on the 320 GTO. So here we have an awesome seating area, guys. Literally 9 forward-facing seats before you start playing with all these articulating benches. A ton of massive storage underneath this seat here. And then these seats here will articulate forward, where we have 2 high-low tables dropping down to create a massive sunbed for your family to lay out on. Before we escape though, we have 2 V8 300 Mercury Verado engines on the back of the boat that are going to be paired with our awesome JPO. So we have joystick piloting on here, skyhook, waypoint heading, and then you'll also have a bow thruster on for extra help when you're in those tight spots to get the boat docked. You can see here, there's a lot of forward vision on this boat. It looks like it's underway sitting still. A lot of glass panels. Your vision on this boat is incredible. So when you're underway, you don't lose a lot of sight lines. You'll be able to see your friends, family, having a great time on this boat while you're operating it. So as you get midship here, guys, we have an excellent laid out wet bar. This is going to give your friends and family plenty of space. 1, dual refrigerators on both sides of the wet bar. 6 stainless steel cup holders and a place for your utensils. You can option in, guys, a single burner cooktop here as well to make this a really nice galley. So as we move forward here, you'll see how Saxdor does this. The designers at the Saxdor facility are incredibly good at what they do. They're talented, they're passionate, and you can see it here. This helm is like a piece of art. You subtly step into this helm area as the skipper on the boat. You can see this beautiful stainless steel spoke steering wheel here is centered up with the boat perfectly. So when you're going over those wakes and everything, it'll feel very much like you're going over those wakes in a center console. You're very balanced on the boat. You can see that JPO docking here. Everything here is LED lit when you activate it, so you know when something's on and when something is not. And then these 2 screens are gorgeous. They're very similar to the smartphones of today. Not a whole lot of gaps. It's seamless. It's very pretty. And this brow will keep the glare off of your screens, allowing you to get perfect vision to all the information you need. On the starboard side of the helm here, guys, we do have a cubby for you. We got some plugins there. But here you'll have your inductive charger for your smartphone. So just throw that in there and the phone will charge up. Stainless steel cup holders, LED backlit as well, adding more elegance in the boat. Again, perfectly center lined up helm. It's an awesome boat to run. 50-knot boat, guys. It's quick. The performance is exciting. You're going to cruise in the mid 30s, upper 30s. For those of you with a heavier right hand, you could cruise at 40 and get excellent range. All right, guys, we've taken a look at the helm. Why don't we take a look at this climate controlled berths? I can feel the AC ripping over my shoulder here. It's awesome. You'll notice as you enter this beautiful berth, we do have our Dometic AC control system here for your berth. You have another volume for your audio system on board. And then we have our breaker panel here for all of your systems on board as well. Really clean install and out of the way. A great setup here for you guys. Vacuum flush head. Beautiful, beautiful laid out freshwater basin. You have a mirror here on the wall as well. You'll have all of your controls for that vacuum flush head right here on the wall. But the best part about this cabin, I'm 6'1". It's a really deep bed. Easily I could sleep on there. A couple will fit just fine, but it's the abundant amount of light coming into this cabin is incredible. I have my shades on and it is really bright in here. I can count the windows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's got to be 8, 9 windows in here. And you can cover those up for privacy as well. So now that we've taken a look at this climate controlled berth, we're going to head forward and take a look at this beautiful bow. Making our way forward, we have this gorgeous sunshade here because you're going to be laying out on this boat when you guys get anchored up on this awesome island sun pad here. Definitely big enough for 2 people. Stainless steel cup holders on each side, perfectly laid out. The ergonomics of this backrest are awesome. I could take a nap here if I tried. You really ride in this boat. You're not riding on it. We have deep gunnel walls, really nice grab rails that run the length of the boat. And so your family will feel really secure, really safe when you're running the boat from the helm and they're up here enjoying this gorgeous island sun pad. As we're wrapping up what is now my favorite boat, the 320 GTO from Saxdor, I gotta show you their anchor system, right? So again, we had their 3 pillars at Saxdor, and that plant there that builds these boats truly thrive and believe in those 3 pillars. And one of those was great value, great quality. And here, they've gone above and beyond. So you got a catapult anchor system here, guys, that you'll operate from the helm. This system will protrude your anchor out roughly 20 inches from your bow and then deploy the anchor. It's fantastic. You're gonna appreciate this setup when you operate it. It's a really clean install with a ton of room in here. Thank you for allowing me to walk you through this incredible platform. If you would like to see the boat in person or learn more information, please reach out to your local MarineMax dealer. My name is Jason Lake with the MarineMax Clearwater team, and thank you. We'll see you soon.